These are given to you. We are just drawing them for the purpose of we don't have graphs. Plus, you get to practice your straight line skills. And this one, all right, starting with domain. If you know nothing else about domain, what do you know? It's my x value, so I'm going to draw x. And then with those symbols, less than, x, less than. Okay. Left to right, start here and go down. What is that at the end? An arrow. Okay. Go to the end, go up. What do I have at this end? Another arrow. And then connect. Okay? Arrow on this end. What does an arrow mean? Infinity. And to which direction is it pointing? To my negatives or my positives? So negative infinity. Arrow on this end. To which, what does that mean? Sorry. What does an arrow mean? Infinity. And to what direction is it pointing? To the right, is that my positives or negatives? So it's just my regular positive infinity. All right, so now think, what numbers are included from negative infinity to positive infinity? What numbers are included from negative infinity to positive infinity? What? 3, okay. -3, yeah, that's included too. All the numbers are included. Because remember, it's going to keep going on forever to infinity and to the other infinity. So another way you'll see that is just the words all real numbers. And yes, there are such thing as imaginary numbers, but you won't get there yet. Not this school year anyway. I think that comes in Algebra 2, maybe Geometry. So not only did they throw letters at you once you got to pre-algebra, now you get imaginary numbers. All right, let's do the same for range. If you know nothing else about range, what do you know? It's my y, so what do I write? Less than? Y? Less than. If you know nothing else, at least get that step done. If I'm grading for partial credit, that gives you 1/4 of a point for that question. So you're 25% done. All right. So at the start, go up to my axis. And what do I draw at the axis? An arrow. Focus. Go to the end. Go down to my axis. What do I draw there? Another arrow. And connect in between. So at the start of my line, it's an arrow. What does that mean? It's going to go on. It's infinity. And which direction is it pointing to? My negatives or my positives? So negative infinity. At the end of my number line, y'all told me another arrow. What does that mean? Infinity. And which direction is it pointing? To the positives or negatives? So, positive infinity. All right, so again, what numbers are included from negative infinity to positive infinity? All real numbers. And I'm going to abbreviate numbers here because I don't have room to write it. And that's, my friends, is it.